Hello friends, welcome back to RP Automation, your go-to channel for everything related to robotic process automation. In today's video, we will be diving into a common yet important problem, how to get second highest number from a list. Whenever you are using automation anywhere, UiPath or Power Automate, this is a crucial skill to you have. So let's get started. So today's question is, let's say you have a list of number and you need to find second highest number from this. Might sound simple, but it's a problem you have encountered found in various automation scenarios such as data processing or report generation. So this question I heard so many times uh, asked during automation anywhere interview, Power Automate interview. So we are going to solve this question in today's video. Let's see how we can implement this problem in Automation Anywhere. We will be using simple bot to determine this problem. So first of all, we need to create one list variable. Click this plus icon and select from here list because we are going to create list variable. Give any name for your list and we need to assign some random values for getting highest number and second highest number also. Create. And then again we need to create two blank variable. Blank in the sense we need to assign value in that 0. So let's create two variable to assign second highest and highest number. Assign 0 and give name max number to store max number. Again we need to create one number variable to store second max number. And then let's take a loop. And inside loop we need to apply our list. So select here list, give our list variable, and inside of loop we need to again validate each and every number. So for the validation purpose we are going to use if condition. We are dealing with number, so let's select number condition, and inside that we are going to use list item should be greater than our max number. So select max number. If the condition is true, again we need to set two variable. So we are going to assign our variable max number to second max number, and again list item to max number, and again we are going to use else if condition to get second max number. Oops. Again we are going to use number condition. Inside that we are going to validate list item should be greater than our second max number. If this condition is true, again we need to assign variable to store second max number. So we are done with our code. Let's test our code using message box right outside of loop. Give our variable max number. We need to convert that number into string. So simple here apply condition second max. So let's run our flow to check what will be the output. It's downloading dependencies. So I have heard so many times this question is asked during interview whenever it's Power Automate, whenever it's UiPath and Automation Anywhere also. So you can see guys here our max number is 700 and second max number is 500. So using this technique or using this knowledge or using this uh, logic, you can achieve these things during the interview. So thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel RPA Automation for more RPA tips and tutorials. So don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest video. See you next time with next interview question. Bye bye.